This is red powder. Now look back at me, now back at the red powder. But this isn't any red powder. This is said to be a magical red powder that replaces over 20 different supplements while turning you into a superhuman after only 30 days. But recently, the internet has mixed reviews. The brand claims it's backed by the world's top science, and there is a lot of controversy in the supplement space right now. Even Brian Johnson, the most studied human in history when it comes to health biomarkers.
My name is Brian Johnson. I've been spending millions of dollars creating an anti-aging protocol.
How are you?
Yeah. Brian Johnson.
Brian Johnson.
Brian Johnson.
He's like the most well-known longevity specialist.
Has raised some serious questions about the industry. Some reports are even suggesting that many of these supplements might not deliver what they claim.
Yeah, that.
So today, I'm gonna funnel hack this challenger brand, IM8 Health, to see if these guys are truly masters at marketing or if this is just another celebrity fluke brand. And how you can steal the entire 6-step playbook that makes your customer willing to pay 8 times more than what your competitors charge. Now, before we get into the video, I've never actually tried the product, so we're gonna see what all of the hype is about. It smells like very strong raspberries. The taste test for IM8 Health. The truth is, it doesn't even matter if this tastes good or not because these guys sold over $120 million of this superhuman red powder in just 12 months, which brings us to step number 1 in their funnel. Arguably one of the most famous men on the planet, this guy has hundreds of millions of fans across the world. But what most creator-led brands do is they leverage the creator's audience and solely rely on it to carry the brand. IM8 did the exact opposite. They became a science brand, not a creator brand. They went after the aspirational consumer, not just David's audience. They went after people who want to feel elite, people who understand that health is a luxury, athletes who optimize their bodies for longevity, and founders who optimize for focus and mental cognition after grueling hours. High performers and wellness influencers. They went after the doctors and the people of high society. And that is super important. They didn't just say, here's David Beckham's new supplement brand, which is why so many creator brands fizzle out so fast. Instead, they went all in on elite performance formula built with the world's renowned scientific advisory board and backed by David Beckham. They borrowed the trust and the attention David brings to the table, and they paired that with the most elite science in the space. Attention alone doesn't scale a brand, and cheap attention gets ignored. IM8 engineered attention with authority that was backed by science from a board with scientists all the way up to NASA. They challenged others in the space and highlighted weaknesses in brands like AG1 when it comes to the actual science and actual effectiveness behind the product.
But instead of giving you the amount that was shown to work in the clinical trial, they give you a much lower amount.
According to Subcode, the world's most powerful third-party validator for supplements, scored IM8 a 9.3 out of 10 for longevity, putting IM8 in the most elite group on the planet. When you approach your marketing like this immediately does 3 things for you. 1, it collapses skepticism from the start. Number 2, the media does the marketing for you. Celebrity does not mean attention. Celebrity plus science creates something the press, the influencers, and the bloggers actually want to talk about. Now, the third is crucial. It positions the brand as premium immediately, because within seconds, people decide what category your brand falls into. IM8 was very deliberate about which category they entered. They didn't look like a supplement startup or a creator supplement brand. They entered as a high-performance wellness brand built by experts for the experts. And that distinction changes everything. So if you can't go and get the David Beckhams of the world, go get an authoritative figure. Go get your science and show what is backing your products. Coming up, I'll show you exactly how IM8 uses all of that authority and buzz in their content machine, plus one sneaky little tactic they use that I got directly from the president of Prenetics himself. Now, once IM8 captured attention with credibility, they don't immediately try to sell you the product. And this is where most brands completely blow it. They go straight from attention to discount to purchase. But IM8 did something completely different. They built what I call an authority content machine. Instead of traditional supplement marketing, the more energy, better gut health, 20% off today offers that you see on the feed every day, IM8 started publishing science-led content at scale. Content that actually teaches the audience something. And almost every piece of content revolves around the same few core ideas. Things like modern nutrient depletion, how stress impacts the body, performance recovery, longevity nutrition, daily health optimization. Now this is important because they are not selling the product yet. They're building a belief system. They are selling through psychology. Modern life is putting more stress on your body than ever before. And that belief becomes true in your mind. When you can turn a belief pattern in our customer's mind, then the next thought naturally becomes, I probably need something to support my body every day. And that's the moment that the brand wins. Because once something internalizes that belief, you no longer are trying to convince them to buy a supplement. They've already convinced themselves they should be taking something. Now, as the internet CMO, Mr. Beckham, what is happening on TikTok Shop? Only 24 sold? With all of this hype and authority, they should be onboarding thousands of creators and pushing this stuff like their lives depend on it. But after the internet CMO had a little chat with David, the president of Prenetics who owns IM8, we should see that change happening very soon. Now look at the types of content they use to reinforce this idea though. You'll see things like short form expert clips, explaining nutrition science, training footage and athlete routines, educational breakdowns of how the body recovers, and simple visual explanations of how micronutrients supports performance. This type of content does two incredibly powerful things at the same time. First, it positions the brand as the authority in the category. Not just another company selling vitamins, but a brand that actually understands human performance and recovery. And second, it creates intellectual buy-in from the audience. People feel like they're learning something valuable, which means when the product eventually shows up, it doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like the logical solution to the problem they just learned about. And this is why IM8's marketing doesn't look like traditional supplement marketing at all. It looks more like a health educational channel, but that's exactly the point. Because when you combine authority with your content machine, you don't just have awareness, you have trust at scale. And once trust is established, step number 3 in this $100 million playbook is where we turn all of that heat up and start to monetize. The philosophy behind their paid ad system is simple. Ads should amplify trust, not interrupt it. Most brands get this completely backwards. They run ads that look like ads. You've seen me talk about this before on my channel. Ads like this, where you have limited time offer, buy one, get one free, 20% off. Those ads might work in the short term for quick blasts, but they destroy the brand long term. IM8 again took the opposite approach of the market. They didn't just create ads, they promoted their best performing content that was already educating people, content that was already building authority. So here we are inside of IM8 Health's Facebook ad library, and they are absolutely incredible at keeping up with high velocity ads where they have literally over 810 active ads at the moment. But what they do best, better than anybody else, is personified marketing. And what I mean by that is every ad is tailored to a specific audience, not just through targeting, but through the actual ad format itself. So when we look at this one says when life is complex, your wellness routine shouldn't be. Here's the next one. It's a paid collab ad with a doctor. And it says, as a physician, I've spent my career helping athletes. So now we're appealing to specifically physicians. The next one is another paid collab ad. When you're running on stress all the time, your body feels it. Notice the pattern here. Every audience is a little bit different. This person just uses it in their daily wellness routine. This person talks about how they've tried countless supplements for the individual who's tired of trying the next supplement over and over again and they're just looking for that solution. This person who's always busy on holidays and their routine has been consistent with IM8. Why? Because it keeps things simple for them. So every single ad here talks about a unique perspective and why it's their go-to combo. And this appeals to so many different categories of people and allows them to scale much further. Rather than only focusing on athletes, that caps our market size for who we can reach. Instead, we're talking about busy moms. We're talking about fitness people. We're talking about doctors, physicians. We're talking about the average daily person who just wants a supplement that's tried everything out there. And each of these formats have a unique story that goes with it inside of their ads. And this allows them to penetrate so many different audiences because they personified it to each unique person. And in other words, they look like content you would actually choose to watch. And that's the key difference here. Instead of interrupting people's feed with a sales pitch, IM8 runs creatives that gives value to the audience, which means the audience doesn't feel like they're being sold to. They feel like they're learning something. When ads build trust, 3 powerful things happen. First, click-through rates naturally increase. People are naturally curious because the content is interesting and so obvious you are going to get more flow through. Second, conversion rates increase. By the time someone reaches the website, they already have the same belief pattern, they've already been educated, and they know what the brand stands for. And third, CPAs get sliced over time. Because the ads are not fighting skepticism. Every ad builds more and more trust. So instead of running aggressive direct response ads from day one, IM8 built a system where paid media simply poured fuel on the authority they were already building organically. But you didn't just think I was going to talk about some Facebook ads, did you? No, this is the internet CMO and I want magic. IM8 uses a cheeky little trick in their ads to cut down over 80% of the creative work directly from the man himself. AI, baby.
Red or green?
This video did 223 million views on Instagram. IM8 Health, the fastest growing supplement brand on the internet, is using AI in their creative process and it's genius. IM8 uses a hybrid AI approach. And what I mean by that is 90% of the video is AI and 10% is human. And let me show you what that looks like.
Aging isn't just a number on a calendar. It is a conversation between your cells. I used to think more was better. More pills, more routines.
These two little slots of the last portion of this video are 100% a human, but the rest of that video was all AI generated scenes. They use it for B-roll and intermix it with real humans so that way it still feels natural, but they can get those powerful shots that they're looking for. Let's check out another example.
The future begins with clarity. From nature's most powerful ingredients, IM8 replaces 16 supplements in one refreshing drink.
So that first shot was really David Beckham, but the rest of that is just AI generated B-roll scenes, so that way it builds their world in their ads, giving them the most powerful shots to be able to run this. And there's another simple version. You can simply take the ingredients, use it in AI, and then intermix it with a real person. At the end of the day, this allows them to constantly produce and reiterate versions of ads way faster than any competitor ever could do. Instead of filming every single visual, IM8 generates AI B-roll that supports that narrative. Things like cellular animations when discussing energy, bloodstream visuals when talking about nutrients, abstract health graphics. These visuals appear as cutaways while the real human is talking or being shown. So the audience is still learning, but the production time and costs drops dramatically. This creates a huge operational advantage. You can literally generate 15 to 2,000 pieces of ad content in a single week with this strategy. Instead of filming a full ad every time, the team records a library of short form clips, expert explanations from David or scientists, athlete routines, even just showing the product in use. Then those clips get combined with AI B-roll to create dozens of new variations, new hooks, new edits, and new angles, all without needing another production shoot. Paid ads at scale thrives on creative velocity. The faster a brand can test new creatives, the faster it finds winning ads. So instead of producing a few expensive ads per month, IM8 can generate dozens of variations every single day, all from AI, which builds your ad engine bigger and bigger. Just look at how many ads they're running because of this. All right, now it's time to go full-blown funnel hacker mode and funnel hack this challenger brand that is doing over $100 million with their website stack. All right, so by the time we get to their landing page, all of this is built up from the ads, the content, and the different pillars that people have seen and the avenues for which they'll land on this page. And when we get here, we're not just looking at any ordinary offer for a supplement product like AG1, one of their competitors is, where AG1 is literally selling their product for $79, which is already a very high price for a standard supplement, which is pretty crazy. IM8 takes an entirely different approach with their offer, where it's priced at nearly $600. Compared to AG1, that is a near 6x increase. Think about that. For a supplement, $600 is insane. But IM8 isn't just selling you the supplement. They're selling you a transformation in how you actually achieve the result. We have a 90-day program that actually goes with this, where they break down the all-exclusive access to what you get. And that comes with literally Bobby Rich, David Beckham's personal trainer. Think about that. You're literally getting his personal trainer also advising you along with this program. So now we've reframed it from just being a supplement to being an outcome-oriented solution, where you have all the health experts that come with this for members only. You have all of the credibility from these people who are health experts, and we have the supplements that go with it. And as you go through their landing page, We've already covered this from the ads on all of the psychological triggers that you'll encounter around the education, the credibility-backed science, the health advisory board, and then that's reinstated and further adapted on their landing pages with UGC creators talking about first count experiences. You have all of the trust badges. You have the full stack formulas, so that way you understand exactly what you're getting. And as you go through the landing page, whether it's a review or hearing from others or hearing from someone that is a trusted source in the space, or understanding what the breakdown is in their ingredients compared to others, no matter what you encounter on this page, it's all designed to help you better understand what you're getting, how it affects your life, and what the true outcome is. So it's not just any ordinary supplement, we're actually breaking down a full offer and result that you're going to be getting with this, which is the overarching transformation. So when we go to add to cart, you go from just paying, a normal $99 to actually spending upwards of $600. Now let's go back for a second though. Before we go to checkout, how do we bring all this back and actually explain the full value of something that seems so high in price? Well, with the program, they even have a call out here, IM8 works best after 12 weeks of daily use. So one thing they're doing is they're ensuring that product use is being adopted. By getting you to stay on this 12-week transformation and then auto-renew your subscription, it's more likely that people are going to trust the fact that they gotta stick with this and actually use the product, which delivers a better result for the customer. It allows IM8 on the back end to recover these sales long-term because of the subscriptions, helping boost AOVs and LTVs. And it ensures that people actually stick with the plan and see the result, which improves the overall experience and allows them to even run at a loss on the front end. IM8 literally will spend more money to acquire a customer, lose money on the front end because they can guarantee the result and ensure that people stay on the subscriptions on the back end, which allows them to rapidly increase spend and cross those $100 million years very quickly. And when you go to checkout, you land on the checkout page and it doesn't just stop there. If there's any last-hand questions or freebies were the thing that got you excited, they have them listed. And along with that, you have all the additional trust factors, the essentials, the breakdowns, and everything else that you may have any lasting questions on before you check out. So that way you feel like you're fully getting the value that you put in. And for the average supplement brand, this is one of the hardest things to achieve, is actually rationalizing the full price. And that is what IM8 Health is so good at, is offer breakdowns and mastering how they get you to understand the value for every dollar that you put in, so that way they can get every dollar out on the back end. Now, getting the first sale is not the real business. Retention is, because supplement brands don't become $100 million brands from one-time purchases. They become $100 million brands through recurring habits, and IM8 engineered their product and marketing around one very simple idea. This is not a supplement. This is a daily protocol. They do this because they play a different game than you. You spend to get sales, they spend to acquire new customers to subscribe to their offer. So they are happy to lose or break even on the front end because they know they make all their money back on the second, third, and fourth purchase. This frees up so much extra ad spend to get more new customers and dominate the market. IM8 has done over $120 million with this playbook, and if you like this video, then you'll love this one on how to create your own $100 million offer. I'll see you in the next episode.